Hello YouTube, I'm working on this LG top load washer. There's the model number, and the complaint was these buttons wouldn't work. And so I took it apart, and sure enough, I could tap on these buttons. These are buttons that are not used as much, and they were responsive just tapping on them with my finger. But the main power one and this start one, they didn't want to work very well. So we got a new board, and this spring here actually is in behind right about there. You can kind of see. Anyway, these are very strange buttons. I don't know if they're piezo style or capacitive something, but the new board, I put it in and the power button didn't work. So I used this folded up tin foil to help connect the button area over to where the spring is, help increase conductivity there. And thankfully it looks like it's working. Anyway, if somebody can tell me how these types of buttons work, I would be very curious. Thank you.